Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to unbox this Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch edition, the 1-inch 360 edition. So here's the box. It says dual 1-inch sensor, 6K 360 video, 21 megapixel 360 photos, flow state stabilization, invisible selfie stick, 360 horizon lock, superb low light, HDR photos. It's IPX3 water resistant. There's interchangeable lenses, voice control, and auto edit. On the back, there's the lens, the core, the vertical battery base, a mounting bracket, charging cable, and lens cap. So let's begin. Kind of reminds me of iPhone packaging. All right. So in here we have the camera, obviously. This doesn't come out stationary, so we're going to put this aside. In the box, we have a silica packet, which we'll toss. Empty box. Here we have a quick start guide, the compliance information, warranty card, and some stickers. Fun. We have a lens cloth. We have a cover of some sort. We have the lens cap. It just slides over like so. I've been reading some other YouTube videos, or I've been watching some other YouTube videos, I should say, and what they're saying is to put the camera down on its side like this. You don't want to put it down directly on its lenses. It's wide enough to sit on its side just fine. And then we have a charging cable. So that's it. Let's figure this out. I haven't used this before. I literally just got it. Squeeze it, and this lens comes off. And this core comes out of this. I'm trying to figure that part out. Might help to read the instructions. Push the lock buttons at the top to disassemble the lens. Open the USB cover on the side and remove the core and battery. All right, so we open the USB cover. Now I heard this just snaps off, like so. Now that the USB cover is opened because there's a little tab in here that locks into the USB port. So once that's off, the core comes out really easily, and then the battery comes out really easily. It all snaps back together. There you have it. It's pretty interesting. All right, let's put it back together. We're going to slide that in and then snap that on. This has to be a cover for one of the, maybe it's for the port inside. Let's see here. Aha! So that's going to go in there. I believe it's going to cover this right here. But we're going to leave it out because we're going to put it back together. There you have it. So I'm going to get this charged up, and hopefully you'll see it soon, or you'll see some video from it soon on my channel. Comment if you have any questions about this. If you like the video, give me a like. Share it if you find it useful, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Oh, let me mention real quick. I did also receive in the same package from Amazon an accessory kit for action cameras, and I think this might have been part of the order. So we'll see what's in here. We have a GoPro style clip mount. We have a 1/4-inch thread GoPro mount. We have a base plate, or not a base plate, but a mount for a base plate. We have a, what appears to be a wrist strap. We have a head strap mount. Then we have a chest plate mount. Never have too many of these. I use them a lot. So this is the accessory kit. If it's part of this purchase of the Insta360 1-inch RS, I will leave it in the video. If it's not, you won't see it. But yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.